Okay, so the easiest thing to do to start with is to look at this 11% that have been to neither Canada or France. So they can go straight on the outside of your Venn diagram. So obviously, everything adds up to 100%. So if I just put 80 and 38 in and add that to 11, that's going to be bigger than 100%. But they also haven't given us this time what's going to go in the centre. We do know that there were 38% of people went to Canada, so that whole circle has to be 38%, and we know that 80% went to France, but we can't put those in straight away because we don't know how many go in the middle. The easiest way to do this is a bit of trial and error. So if I say I'm going to just randomly guess that 20% go in the middle. Now if the middle is 20%, that whole green circle has to be 80%. So it means that 60% went to France and 18% went to just Canada. Now before we said that 11% of people didn't go to either Canada or France, so to find out how many were left, if we subtract 11% from 100%, we will get the amount of people that were left to go to Canada and France. So that's 89%. So the red circle and the green circle, including the middle, has to all add up to 89%. So from my guess, if I add 60, 20 and 18, I get 98%. So I'm over. So that didn't work. So I'm going to increase the number in the centre. So maybe I'll try 25%. That means that just France is 55%. And just Canada will be 13%, because what I'm doing is doing my 38 subtract 25 gives me the 13. Now if I add together these three numbers, so 13 plus 25 plus 55, and remember I'm trying to get to 89. So again I'm at 93%, so I'm still a little bit over. So I'm not going to keep going until I get the answer, because obviously it's on the assignment, so I want you to have a go. But if you keep trying, changing that centre number until those three numbers in the centre, 13, 25 and 55, or whatever they are, need to add up to your 89%.